Hi, Pioneer members, Ted here with another helpful tip. Today we're going to talk about windows. When I'm out doing energy audits, I get asked a lot of times, is replacing windows worth your time? The answer to that question is yes and no. What you should be looking at is what shape your windows are in. A, is it a double pane window? Do you have problems with the glass, such as it fogging up in between the glass? Or is it getting hazy in between the glass? If you do have that problem, your seal between the glass has been busted. Second thing is, does it operate properly? When you open and close it, do you have any difficulty doing that? Third thing is look at the actual frame of itself. If it's wood, do you see wood rot? Do you see condensation? Do you have moisture on that frame? If you have no issues with that, then what you should be looking at is the rough opening. That rough opening is between the window itself and the frame. So you got to take your trim off and see what they did. What kind of insulation is behind there? Did they caulk and seal it? Did they seal it up nice and tight for you? If you have to go buy new windows, what do you look for? Minimally, a good double pane window, argon gas in between it. Second thing is you want to look at this label. That is the NFRC label. On there, you'll find an Energy Star rating. It better be Energy Star or you shouldn't be looking at it. Second thing you want to look at is the U factor. Lower that number, the better the window. U factor is related to R value. And the third thing is solar gain. Solar gain, lower that number, the better the window. This is related to how much sunlight comes to that window during the summer months. Type of framing, that is up to you. Branding, that is up to you. You decide. If you have any other questions, give me a call or email me at energyadvisor@pioneerec.com. See you down the road.